Your Acura isn't just a car, it's a precision machine that deserves more than a generic body shop with a spray gun and a prayer. At Metro Collision Center, we specialize in Acura repairs because these vehicles demand a level of expertise most shops simply don't have. We know Acura's engineering inside out. From Type S performance models to the MDX and beyond, our technicians are trained specifically on Acura's exacting standards, using manufacturer-approved parts and repair procedures that protect your vehicle's integrity, safety systems, and resale value. No shortcuts, no guesswork. Whether you've had a fender bender on the 405 or something more serious, we restore your Acura to factory condition so precisely you'll forget it ever happened. Our color matching technology is so dialed in that even you won't be able to spot the difference. Ready to get your Acura looking flawless again? Bring it to Metro Collision Center and let us take it from there.